I'm Mr. Eco, creator of the EcoHero show, and we believe that monumental change begins with youth.
Through our live shows, local press, and social media, we reach thousands of students and teachers, and through them, thousands of their friends and families. More than 40 cities and counties in California have sponsored shows, and we have performed for more than 600 schools, reaching 330,000 students in 5 countries.
We can perform a custom show on food waste that will benefit your schools the most.
Is there an initiative you want to launch or enforce? We have unique access to reach and empower an entire school at once. Our songs and themes range from share tables to sorting properly to composting, any topic regarding food waste. After the show, empowered students bring home what they learned, they watch our videos on YouTube, and the messages get stronger. Save it for later, alligator. Wasting food, waste everything. Got a hunch at your lunch, a lot of food's in the trash. Been there, done that, rate of waste will not last.
Now please, check out some testimonials from around the globe, and we will see you at your schools. Deuces.
But they're excited about having the opportunity to share food so it doesn't go to waste and end up in our trash cans, eventually in our landfills, and hurting our earth. I'm super excited about the great information. The vibe was jumping, the kids were dancing, singing. It was a great time. I highly recommend it.
Learn so many things that they can do to be superheroes and take care of our earth.
We can all be eco-hero.
The kids were really engaged. They love the music, they love the hip-hop beats, they love the songs.
The children had a blast. The content was very educational.
It was really fun. It's time for me to go out and make history. 'Cause I'm a hero, you're a hero, we're EcoHero.